Good morning from Palma de Mallorca. We just took the city bus to Syndicat, and now it's going to be a 10-minute walk to the Cathedral de Mallorca.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're in one of the most stunning spots on the island of Mallorca, La Seu, or the Cathedral of Mallorca. This incredible Gothic masterpiece is not only a major historical landmark, but also a symbol of the island's rich culture and history. So let's take a closer look at this architectural gem. As we step inside, it's hard not to be overwhelmed by the sheer scale of the cathedral. The soaring columns, the expansive nave, and the beautifully detailed stained glass windows all contribute to a sense of awe. The sunlight filtering through these windows casts colorful patterns across the stone floors. One of the most iconic features of La Seu is its massive rose window, or Rosa del Cielo. It's the largest Gothic rose window in the world, with a diameter of 13 meters, and it's absolutely memorizing. About 200 stairs to get to the top. Located in the heart of Palma, the capital of Mallorca, La Seu is a breathtaking example of Gothic architecture. The construction of the cathedral began all the way back in 1229 after King James I of Aragon conquered the island. It was built on the site of a former mosque, and its design has undergone several transformations over the centuries. What's also amazing about La Seu is its location. Positioned right on the edge of Palma's historic center, with the Mediterranean Sea just steps away, the cathedral's silhouette dominates the skyline. It's one of the first things you notice when you approach the city, and it's truly an iconic sight. Whether you're here for the history, the architecture, or simply to take in the beauty, the Cathedral of Mallorca is a must-see destination when visiting Palma. Its majestic presence is impossible to miss, and it's definitely worth taking the time to explore every corner. At the heart of the cathedral is the high altar, a place of deep spiritual significance. It's surrounded by beautiful altarpieces, including golden sculptures and elaborate carvings that depict various saints and religious figures. If you're ever in Palma, this interior is an experience you won't want to miss. It's a place that leaves an impression. Overall, the interior of La Seu is a harmonious blend of light, stone, and color that creates a sense of peace and reverence. The space feels both grand and intimate, inviting visitors to pause and reflect while also showcasing the impressive scale of Gothic design. So that's a wrap on today's tour of Cathedral of Mallorca, La Seu. I hope you enjoyed getting to know this incredible monument as much as I did. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel adventures. Drop a comment if you ever visited the cathedral or if you plan to. Exclusive to Oasis of the Seas, Aqua 80 is about pushing the limits of what's possible in the water. You'll see professional divers performing jaw-dropping stunts, synchronized swimmers gliding effortlessly through the water, and acrobats flying through the air, all set to an exciting soundtrack that keeps you on the edge of your seat.
We had a wonderful day in Palma de Mallorca. We did a lot of walking, at least, I want to say 10 miles. We went to dinner afterwards, and then we watched Aqua 80.
Tomorrow we'll be in Valencia, so stay tuned for that one.